Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0069 indicates a problem with the BARO sensor circuit in the 2022 Honda Civic. The BARO sensor, or barometric pressure sensor, measures atmospheric pressure, which is crucial for engine management. It helps the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, determine the correct air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. If the output from the BARO sensor does not align with readings from the manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensor and turbocharger boost sensor under certain driving conditions, the PCM flags this as an issue. This can result in reduced engine performance or increased emissions if not addressed promptly. Understanding and troubleshooting this DTC is essential for maintaining efficient vehicle operation and adherence to emission regulations. The BARO barometric pressure sensor is responsible for detecting the atmospheric pressure at a given location in the engine bay, typically positioned near the intake manifold. This sensor provides vital data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, allowing it to calculate the optimal air-fuel ratio needed for efficient combustion. If there is a significant discrepancy between the outputs of the BARO sensor, the MAP, manifold absolute pressure sensor, and the turbocharger boost sensor, the PCM logs the DTC P0069 as an indication of a range or performance issue. Understanding the role of the BARO sensor is paramount, since it affects engine tuning and performance metrics under various driving conditions. If the BARO sensor's output deviates from expectations, it signals that either the sensor is malfunctioning or there are issues elsewhere in the system affecting pressure readings. Several factors could lead to the DTC P0069 being triggered. A faulty BARO sensor is one of the most common culprits. Wear or damage to the sensor can impair its ability to accurately read atmospheric pressure. Additionally, wiring issues such as short circuits, open circuits, or corrosion in connectors may interfere with the signal reaching the PCM. In some cases, the problem could lie with the PCM itself, which might incorrectly interpret data due to internal faults or software glitches. Each of these causes requires careful inspection to ensure all components function correctly. It is essential to address these potential failures to restore proper engine functionality and performance. Drivers may notice several symptoms that may arise from a P0069 code. The most immediate indication is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a possible issue. Furthermore, it may lead to poor engine performance, such as sluggish acceleration or reduced power under load, as the engine struggles to optimize the air-fuel mixture correctly. In some instances, increased emissions may occur, leading to potential failures during emissions testing. If the BARO sensor's readings significantly deviate, the overall drivability of the vehicle could be affected, making it an urgent concern for vehicle owners and technicians alike. Therefore, recognizing these symptoms can prompt timely diagnosis and repairs. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0069 involves starting the engine and holding the RPM at 3,000. This step is crucial as it allows the engine to stabilize and ensures that the sensors reach operational readiness. Holding at a constant RPM while in park or neutral engages the engine without any load, which can help expose any inconsistencies in sensor performance when compared to expected values. It is important to monitor the system closely for about 5 seconds after reaching 3,000 RPM. When the radiator fan kicks on, it signals that the engine has reached a sufficient temperature, allowing further data collection to verify the proper functioning of the BARO sensor and its relationship with other sensors. Following the initial testing phase, the next step is to conduct a test drive under prescribed conditions. It is advised to maintain the engine speed above 1,700 RPM and the relative throttle position, RELTP sensor, above 42.2 degrees for a minimum of 6 seconds. This procedure helps in ensuring that the engine operates in a range where variances in sensor readings are more pronounced. The monitor should display the outputs from the BARO sensor, MAP sensor, and turbocharger boost sensor concurrently. A detailed examination during the test drive can help identify if the signals align correctly, thereby confirming or ruling out a fault in any of these components, or in the PCM's interpretation of their data. After completing repairs or replacements related to the DTC P0069, it's essential to conduct a final verification of the repair. This includes clearing the DTC from the system using a scan tool before retesting the vehicle under normal driving conditions. Following the clearance, the technician should monitor the system for reoccurrence of the DTC, confirming that the engine operates normally without triggering the check engine light provides assurance that the underlying issues have been fully resolved. Ensuring no additional symptoms appear reinforces the repair's effectiveness and will result in a successful resolution of the problem. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in ensuring the continued functionality of the BARO sensor and related components. Regular inspections of the sensors can help identify wear or potential failures before they escalate into significant problems. Additionally, technicians should routinely check the wiring conditions, looking for signs of fraying, corrosion, or loose connections that could affect sensor performance. Keeping the sensors and their connectors clean aids in maintaining accurate readings, thus improving overall engine efficiency. Preventive steps can drastically reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P0069 and enhance the vehicle's performance and reliability. In conclusion, understanding the role of the BARO sensor is crucial for diagnosing and addressing DTC P0069 in the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. By recognizing how this sensor contributes to engine management and the potential causes of its dysfunction, technicians can efficiently troubleshoot issues. The key troubleshooting steps outlined are the foundation for resolving any irregularities in sensor outputs. Proper maintenance and regular inspections can prevent failures from occurring, ensuring the engine continues to run smoothly. Finally, effective communication with vehicle owners about symptoms and the importance of timely repairs can facilitate a better understanding of their vehicles, leading to enhanced vehicle longevity and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.